Apex News, India, Northeast.
Kublai Pibaro, Kanigade Apex News India, Kikuborban Puli, Piba Cordor Marbo. Punya Pashwa Shakimat Kibakongsan. Kikubor Kibabania. Kajingi ipay ba kalasyong hakalinti senchar pisa jong kasor karpeleng kaba kinong yalam rang ba ka BGP kilakren siya kilat patay kubor ha Shillong da kaba batay ba ka union budget 8,000 riu kalong kaba pin kaladur bat kaba pin rai na kabinta kathan chatela mini. Udevish Kumar MLC na Bihar but convener ka budget publicity campaign na kabinta kathan chatela mingi tingkad bat ka Shazia imi Kilapan long ya kajing lang bat kilat patay kubor hakapor arbaje minsngi BGP State Office Habibar Road Shillong. Hakajing yakran kabalingkot kinong yalam kilapan pao ya kimat bakong san jong kamang tingka kasor kar padeng 8,000 riu kintop ya kajing penbor kabajur ban penhe ya ki jingtay hakathan chatay la mingi bat kijing penkiyo ya kajing pelut pisa hakisurak kilentirel bat hakijing penyeso digital.
Follow from the guiding principles, the three kartavyas, like the push being given to the industrial sector, push being given to employment generation. There's so many measures which have been enunciated, which have been highlighted in the budget. The new age economy, data centers, artificial intelligence, pharmaceuticals, biochemicals, so biotech, all these new age economy, because India, we have to, our Prime Minister talks of Viksit Bharat, which is a developed India by 20.
If you look at it, you realize that, there has been so much transformation in the state itself. We're looking at a GSDT, which is the GDP of a state, of 7,000 crores, 64,700 crores. Now, some important facts that is very important, and I must say that our state, Meghalaya state, I'm here, and I consider it my state also as part of my country. So it's an honor for me to say this, and you know it, that the state has recorded average double-digit growth over the last decade. 80% of Meghalaya's population lives in rural areas, which is why it was very important for us to look at road connectivity. And I will tell you in terms of kilometrage, how much the roadways, how much the entire, how much they have increased, and what a huge jump there is in what the connectivity was and now. Agriculture, of course, is 22% of the state economy. And if you look at overall the budget 2026, it empowers Meghalaya through a higher tax devolution. And now we're looking at 9,600 crores given to the state, which is untied funds, specifically for states' development. So 9,600 crores specifically as untied funds, more flexibility, and of course, it means greater responsibility. What does that translate into? What does this 9,600 crores mean to a citizen of Meghalaya, to you and me, to every brother and sister of Meghalaya? Connectivity. We're looking at hill areas, feeder roads, and which is also and the digital backbone. Tourism as a year-round livelihood. I had the privilege and the pleasure to go to Doki, and I just saw how beautiful it was. Can you imagine how important it can be as an economy and as livelihood for our local brothers and sisters? So it just shouldn't be a seasonal income, but a year-long livelihood. Agri-value addition, which means processing, branding, and exporting. Youth skilling and entrepreneurship, very, very important. So migration is a choice. It is not a compulsion. Friends, earlier budgets have failed, and I'm not blaming them. I'm not saying that they were wrong to do it or they did not plan it better. Intentions, I'm not saying were wrong, but the delivery systems were very weak.
Upa Ricky Andrew J. Singan ulakin tu ya ka menteri pla pisa jong ka sorkar pedeng ka Nirmala Sitharaman bahkan perkhat biang ya ka jingpen bana 8,000 puai ka bapen mi da ka Central Board of Direct Taxes ha ka ba kalapan pau ba ka la patha jer ya ki jing pelat khajana bala Aisha ki scheduled tribes ha ki jaka badan ha ki 6 scheduled Hakajing ya kendu bad menteri platingka usingkan tu ulapan pau ya kijing sngokya halor kajing penbana kaba lapen jari ya kijing bo kendon pisa kaba ar paulak halor kajing ya nong nakasut wat haki jaka riulu ulakan tho bakate kajing le kawan ra ya kajing batai kaba khanglat ya ki jing pelat khajana ki bala banyo kat kum ka kendon chipau at punriu jong ka income tax act khat khandai rupui Ka passport jong ke India kalakio shaka kerdan ka banyo pusan ha ka thop jong ki passport ki ba klantam ha ka perthai katkun ka jingte bathamai jong ka Henley passport index jong ubanai rempang 8,000 riu. Ka jingpen bet kerdan ka pen I ki jingkio na ka kerdan ka ba prapo ha ka balas dang jong usnam. Ka ba pen I ya ki jingkio suki ha ki jingla banyat shaprang ha ka perthai na ka benta ki nongbat passport na India.
वर्ल्ड टूर का शौक रखने वाले इंडियंस के लिए बहुत बड़ी खुशखबरी है। इंडियन पासपोर्ट की पावर और स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गई है। हेनले पासपोर्ट इंडेक्स की फरवरी 2026 की रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक इंडिया ने लगभग 5 पायदान की छलांग लगाते हुए 75th रैंक हासिल कर ली है। बात करें 2025 की तो वहां पर ये रैंकिंग 85 थी। 2026 में वो अब 75th रैंक हो चुकी है। बिग अचीवमेंट, राइट? अब बात करते हैं मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट की। हेनले लगभग 200 कंट्रीज का एनालिसिस करता है और पासपोर्ट को इस बेसिस पर रैंक करता है कि एक कंट्री का सिटीजन कितने देशों में वीजा फ्री या वीजा ऑन अराइवल के साथ ट्रैवल कर सकता है। इसका मतलब इंडियंस को अब पहले से ज्यादा कंट्रीज में इजी एंट्री मिल रही है। और हाँ, हाल ही में इंडिया को कुछ कंट्रीज से वीजा फ्री और वीजा ऑन अराइवल एक्सेस भी मिला है, जिसकी वजह से रैंकिंग में सॉलिड जंप देखने को मिला है। सो बेसिकली इंडियन पासपोर्ट इज इक्वल्स टू मोर फ्रीडम, मोर ट्रैवल, मोर वर्ल्ड एक्सप्लोरेशन। व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस? डू कमेंट।
Umentri ka Sarkar Pedeng Upish Goyal ulakan no ba unong yalam kalyang persya Lok Sabha u Rahul Gandhi ulapin sapriang yaki kubor ki babakla bat u penmiru yaki jingken no ki bamdan nongrem. Uloong baka Sarkar kalabu hakmat ka jing baha jing mian bat ka jing roy jing par jong ki nongrem ling ba bon jat ki scheme bat ki rai policy bapher.
For Mahabharat or the well-being of our farmers and youth. In a video released today, he has broken all records of speaking falsehood and made baseless allegations. He is misleading our farmers with his fake narrative and trying to provoke our Annadatas. He has never cared for our motherland, nor can we expect him to ever work for a strong and prosperous future for India. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has always been empathetic towards our Kisan brothers and sisters. He has always put the interest of farmers first and taken all decisions to ensure their prosperity. Modi ji has implemented several schemes which have transformed the lives of crores of farmers. In the recent trade deal with the United States of America, the interests of farmers have been kept paramount and fully protected. In this agreement, all major crops of farmers, including wheat, rice, millets, soya meal, corn, GM food products, spices, potatoes have been fully safeguarded. We have also fully protected the interests of farmers producing major fruits, including apples. India's doors have not been opened to dairy products or poultry. The truth is that many of our products, including basmati rice, fruits, spices, tea, marine products, and many more will find new markets, increase our exports, and boost farmer incomes. We have opened huge markets for cotton textile exports, which will increase the demand for cotton manifold, benefiting our cotton farmers. Every decision taken in the trade deal is in the best interest of Mahabharat and 140 crore Indians, including our farmers, our youth. I don't think Rahulji has ever cared for the benefit of our farmers or will ever understand what is good for our Annadatas. I want to reassure all our farmers that your interests are fully secured today and will always be protected forever. The US trade deal will benefit our farmers with higher export of farm output and increased demand, leading to higher prices and continuous prosperity of our farmers. Let me tell you, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, no matter how much lies you peddle or attempt to mislead our farmers or even attempt to discredit the country, a proud, prosperous, powerful, self-reliant and developed India is assured under Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji's leadership. Dhanyavad.
Ha Mumbai Muhammad Said Nouri, u President Karaza Academy Ulapan Pau, ba ka Valentine's Day kam dan jingmut AA ha kanyam Islam bat ulaong ba kalong kababian. Ulaong balakerpa ya ki imams ha kalengkari ban penbana ya ki mos ba ki Muslim kim day ban rakhe ya ka Valentine's Day.
देखिए, वैलेंटाइन डे जो मनाया जाता है, इस्लाम में इसकी कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है। ये नाजायज़ और हराम है। बेपर्दा औरतें, अजनबी मर्दों को फूल देती हैं, उनसे मोहब्बत का इज़हार करती हैं। ये सब नाजायज़ और हराम है। साथ ही हम लोगों ने मुल्क भर के इमामों से जो मस्जिदों में जुमा की नमाज़ पढ़ाते हैं, उनसे भी गुजारिश की है कि वो भी मस्जिदों में ऐलान करें कि वैलेंटाइन डे मुसलमान न मनाएं और ये नाजायज़ और हराम है। वो जुमा की तकरीरों में अपनी बताएं इस चीज़ को। साथ ही साथ ये भी है कि ये हमारी हिंदुस्तानी तहज़ीब के भी ख़िलाफ़ है कि एक अजनबी मर्द एक अजनबी औरत के साथ इस किस्म के मामलात करें। ये हमारी हिंदुस्तानी तहज़ीब के भी ख़िलाफ़ है।
Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Kongrat ke sama ula play ya ke Iklavia Model Residential School ke Badon ha Samada ha East Garo Hills kum ke Jingsdang ya ke Jingpuli jong kaniga school. Ha kaniga program lawan banyashim benta da Marcus M. Marak bat kiwi kidiu pau khmat. Ha ke Jingkeren jong Menteri Rangba ke Jelau ula batai ya kaniga Jingpen bana kum ke Jingpen rung ke Bakongsan ya kilat puli puthi jong ke Jela bat ke Jingpen pau biang ya ke Jingpuli puthi ke long ke Jingpen kala ke bakrau tam na ke benta ke imlang salang. Ula penpau ya ke Jingpen kala balawan ra ha kaliang ke puli puthi na do usnam hajar khatra kinthop ya ke Jingpen thamai ke bahe ya ki school LP but UP ke Jingpen bha ya ki syllabus bat ke Jingpen kala ya ki examen.
Functioning today. So very soon under our block rango ba block yantion yes scheme ko ba school ko gapat state rango mat kuza ande ba chini state to chini gacham block list ni gata mana gatal baka block song bak job ande ba tribal affairs se gacham bishuni was somoyo je somoy bishung survey ka chun je block rang dongacham wa list wa block ni basis ba list ni basis so block ki anchinan talo ya EMRS ni school rangko talo sanction ka aha unegaman na main atsna rasong chani ba ka aro kusiu ani ba pongchumota bangbata building rangko aro biap rangko je biap rangko sanction ka hachim chinga tender rangko ngate construction rangko abat singat aha badi ba biap rangko uncha kamrang dongkuinga yan rangko bat singa bekan panggija sal somerang ni gisepo yan rangko bat singa sanction ka aro tender ka emang
Haga jingkela polisi ka bakong san ka balakta ya ki hajar ngut ki nong hikai ki bayo ya ka bay nong ka balabu ka sarkar Meghalaya kalawan ra ya ka structure pe framework ka batmu ban pentikna ya ki jing siu ka bashay ka jing penbiang ya ka imlang salang bat ka jing shakri ka baskem. Kani ka jing pen bana ka balapen mi da ka tenat puli puti bat kan trikam nadu ka shitrek u yayong ar hajar apun rio. Karukum trade kam kadai na kabenta kinong hikai SSA, RMSA, ethok, bat kiwi kinong hikai bas siu bai lutksan hakaleng kikirdan bapher. Lakano bakaway kanong tho kubor kan thay kala sha thambor kat ba kadang lum yaki kubor hakajing yaki pro UGC ha Delhi University. Usarthak Sharma, State Secretary Jong Kaseng ABVP ka Delhi, ulakano ba kinong yaki left kila le bakla yaka hadin bakala kali jingkali. Da ka bakadaw yaki video ki bakam bakila pen I yaka jing sharong pat shasho yaka.
धक्का क्यों मार रहे हैं? इसको पता चलेगा। मैं करता हूँ।
प्रोटेस्ट के दौरान एक महिला पत्रकार को मारा पीटा गया, असॉल्ट किया गया, यूपी का नाम आ रहा है।
क्या है कि मैं कुछ बातें स्पष्ट करना चाहता हूँ कि लेफ्ट के ये वामपंथी लोग प्रदर्शन कर रहे थे। वहाँ एक महिला पत्रकार हैं, उनका शायद ब्रेकिंग ओपिनियन के नाम से यूट्यूब चैनल है, तो वो वहाँ उसे कवर कर रही थी। उन्होंने उन लोगों से कुछ प्रश्न पूछा, शायद उन्हें या तो वो प्रश्न पसंद नहीं आया या वो महिला पत्रकार पसंद नहीं आए कि उन्होंने उनके साथ मारपीट करी। और जिस प्रकार कैंपसेस के अंदर ये डफली बजाने वाले लोग महिला सुरक्षा का हवाला देकर झूठी दुहाई देते हैं, महिलाओं के सम्मान की झूठी दुहाई देते हैं, कल ये सभी बेनकाब हुए कि किस प्रकार वीडियोस में भी देखा जा रहा है कि उन महिला पत्रकार को इनके मेल कैडर के द्वारा भी थप्पड़ मारे जा रहे हैं। भीड़ उन्हें घेर रही है, दूर तक घसीट के लेके जा रही है। तो अपने आप में जो ये डफली गैंग है, ब्रेकिंग इंडिया फोर्सेस है, इनका चेहरा दोबारा देश में उजागर हुआ कि किस प्रकार महिलाओं के साथ ये दुर्व्यवहार करते हैं।
ये कब की बात है, कितने बजे की घटना है? आप क्या जो पत्रकार, महिला पत्रकार है, उनसे आप मिली? क्या स्थिति है उनकी अभी?
नहीं, महिला पत्रकार से मिलना नहीं हुआ है, पर जहां तक मुझे भी जानकारी है कि उन्होंने एफआईआर इन सभी लोगों के ऊपर दर्ज कराने के लिए अपनी कंप्लेंट दी है थाने में। और ये लगभग कल दोपहर की घटना है, दोपहर को 2-2:30 बजे के आसपास, और तब की ये घटना है।
एसएफआई वाले तो आपके अगेंस्ट में, यूपी के अगेंस्ट में आरोप लगा रहे हैं कि आप लोगों का हाथ है इसमें।
क्या है कि एसएफआई, आईसा और ये जितने वामपंथी छात्र संगठन हैं अपनी प्रासंगिकता खो चुके हैं। कैंपसेस के अंदर अब इनको मुट्ठी भर लोग पूछ रहे हैं और इन्हें पता है कि आने वाले समय में वो भी पूछना बंद कर देंगे। तो किस प्रकार मीडिया में बने रहना है, किस प्रकार खबरों में चलना है, तो इस प्रकार इन्हें खबरी तब मिल रही है जब ये विद्यार्थी परिषद पर झूठे आरोप मढ़ रहे हैं। तो इसलिए दोबारा विद्यार्थी परिषद पर झूठे आरोप मढ़ के खुद को हाइप देने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। पर दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय का विद्यार्थी बहुत समझदार है और कल दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय ने देखा कि किस प्रकार इन लेफ्टिस्ट्स ने अपना लाल झंडा पकड़ के अपने हाथ में उन महिला पत्रकार को पीटा है। वीडियोस में भी क्लियर है।
Kashilong kalasaki ya kajing rakhi kabashong shit jong kajing eat but put katem ha ka Valentine's music special arhajar apun rio kabalapen long ha ususutham auditorium ha ka ne ka concert lapen I ki jing ruai na ka Debbie Khonglam, The Succulents, Leo Boys, The Calibers, Six Fret, but ka Rainbow of Sound Music Academy. Kajing wan mi kerpang da ka swim Shillong Women in Music kalapan long ya kajing wan pet bakin ai jing ro ka bajur da kajing shitraham but kajing kamen. Kadba ki sur bakhadu kidang sawa ha ka auditorium ki kapal kilayalam yala di ha kajing sutunan ki parlok kila perta jing ro but ka Shillong kalapin skam biang ya ka nam jong ka kum ka rock capital jong ka India. Kamiet kalakut tang kum ka concert Henry kum ka jing rakhi ka basa jing kan mau jong ka jing yatem but ka culture.
You another dose of great music. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Let's welcome the Cannibals.
Well, before the Cannibals, okay, the guys here, so can we do afterwards? Yeah, can we have the Cannibals here in front right away? Where are they?
Love with a lot of passion, and it's a family brewery, and they intend to take it much further up. And today they have sponsored this wine, and it goes out to Ivan. You can go back there.
So, just to make the answer clear, it belongs to Captain Hunt in Mokla. It was started in 1947. It was shut down in 1980. I think because the grandchildren couldn't take it further. But it was one of the best. They make cherry wine as well as the brandy. Yeah. So the lady here, you're lucky. If there's a man to get with, fine. If there's a man, lady will be good too. What's your name, by the way?
Thank you so much.
What's your name, by the way?
Maureen.
Maureen.
And
Tonight
Maureen,
is the night for you.
you're from?
I'm from Malki,
Yeah, but earlier you returned back.
Yeah, returned back from
Yeah, you returned back. That's what.
Let me just check. I don't want to make
Yeah, no, the interesting part is that they're two brothers. They had a common interest in music since they were growing up ages.
So it's together with Tom and Ribbon, and sharing the same love and passion, and it becomes a band now. And I think you would love these guys. They are higher energy. So please welcome on stage.
So I hope you're all ready. Even if you can't, if you don't know the answer, you should surely give it a shot because the prizes are amazing. Let me tell you this, okay? So anybody, you need not be a couple. If you're a couple, well and good. If you're not, also, it's absolutely fine. Just win the prizes because can we have Ivan once again back on the stage, please? Come, Ivan. So Ivan has a
Big champagne on us, and she said, we are all just prisoners here, we're all living. And then us just stand up together for the feast. We're stepping with the steely knife, but I just can't kill the beast. The last thing I remember, I was running from the door. I had to find a passage back to the place I was before. Relax at night now, we got the ground to receive. You can check out anytime you like, but you can never leave.
Badak itu kibor nila po siya kabakot, tahado pengenday siyang biyang hublay shibun.
Apex News, India, Northeast.